I saw a vision. Animals are gonna start attacking demons. Like evil people with the possession inside them by the demons, devil worshippers. Animals will attack them. They have a stronghold of divinity. Animals. They will start defending God's kingdom. Animals will protect us. I see it. I just saw a vision. Animals will protect us because they're good. Have a dog. Have a dog. They will protect you. This war is gonna go on. Please, people of God, have a dog next to you and raise it with love. All they need is love. Don't mistreat them, because they will be your loyal companions and protectors of evil demons that try to get at night to rape women, children. Please, I just saw a vision through the clouds. Animals will protect us. Only God's chosen and God's people.